apology. My iPad. So the frames gotta come in. So I want to do this one. Alright. Soon. Alright. Who is this? He looks like Zud. Okay. No, this would be easy. Imagine if I said and I lost. Detail. Okay. Wait, what? Oh wait, that means no moving at all. Okay. Yes, math is blessed in this game mode. No, I moved by an inch. I got no scope by the guard. I can smell you. Oh, why? The ring doesn't want to comprehend. Alright, we got this. You're cooked. You knew you was cooked. What if I scope out? Yeah, I'm being a little bit quiet because it's like everyone's sleeping. I'm asleep. But I don't sleep. Update needs me. Oh my god. Maybe one more 1v1 and then we're gonna go into 2v2s. The game was pretty fun. If you inspect your weapon, if you die, if you turn, yo, it's crazy. If you don't, you turn your head or move your body, you turn like in a circle. You're supposed to die. I just realized I lost that one. I just sat there and guessed my own death. You're good. Wait, this is the best counter against hackers. They can't move without dying. Why? My brain doesn't want to. That's what you get. My brain doesn't want to work. Idiot. Turn that auto shoot off. He should have died from that reload. Idiot. He turned off the auto shoot though. Sniper is the best thing in the game. This game was pretty fun though. You're so dead, you know it. What? You little. Easy. Alright, let's see who we get. Let's go to 2v2s. Let's see who we get. Easy, 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 easy. What I still have? I never really have Supernova in my thing. I just randomly reminded of that. Crazy work. Let's go. I love arena in this map. No! Wait. I get an idea. I'm gonna be a deep intro real quick. I'm like a red rat. I don't need this now. I want to do some kills. Okay, these guys are cool. Okay, so you cannot block it. Like, you cannot block, you cannot deflect it with my idiots. Wait, I wonder if you can crouch. Well, I'm not putting that out. Whenever you win this match. Come on. You can crouch. Yes, sir. Then you should be flying because I don't should be flying. You really need to trust it, buddy. Oh, wait, I guess you can't jump. got 0 kills. Well, that was the chicken games. Go to chicken games game mode and like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I might be making a Fortnite channel sooner or later. Tis, wink, wink, hint, hint. So, without further ado, peace out, and don't be a stranger, strangers.